Welcome to Tech Help Guy, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to check your Instagram DMs. Make sure to like this video if you find it useful and consider subscribing to our channel. So back to the video. In order to check your DM on Instagram, the first thing you want to do is to make sure your Instagram is updated to the latest version. So I'm just going to head over to the App Store and search for Instagram. Once I do that, you're going to see an update button or a get button depending on the phone you're using. So I'm just going to search for Instagram here. As you can see, it says to open, which means my Instagram is already updated and ready to go. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on that. Once you are on Instagram, to check your DMs, you need to click on the top right corner where it has a message icon. Once you do that, you're going to have access to all of your DMs and instant messages. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Make sure to hit a like button and consider subscribing to our channel for everything tech.